As a content creator, it is very important that the system we work on not only be fast to export, but also offer a butter-smooth editing process. This is only achieved with the combination of not just a high core count, but also high clock speeds, large amounts of memory, powerful GPU, and of course ultra-fast storage. To achieve this, we built a PC with AMD's Ryzen 9 5950X and the Radeon RX 6800 XT. The AMD Ryzen 9 5950X is the top-of-the-line chip using the Zen 3 architecture. This new architecture enables higher instructions per clock, greatly reduced latencies, and of course, excellent power efficiency. We pair the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X with an AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT not just for its insane 16GB VRAM, but also because of smart access memory. So when you pair a Ryzen 5000 series processor with a Radeon 6000 series GPU using an X570 motherboard, you're allowing the processor full access to the GPU's memory thanks to AMD's smart access memory. The result, of course, is higher frame rates in games, because if you're going to build a PC this powerful, there's no way we won't be gaming on it. To get the most out of our AMD components, we've used the MSI Meg X570 Godlike motherboard, 32GB DDR4 memory, a 1TB PCIe Gen4 M.2 drive, all powered together by a 750W power supply. Last but not the least, we've got our ASUS TUF Gaming VG27AQL1A monitor, which has a 27-inch IPS panel and a 170Hz refresh rate. This is perfect for both content creation and gaming alike. Enough component talk, let's get down to actual use cases. For those dabbling in video, whether you're using Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, this all AMD rig is going to speed up your workflow like never before. Not only can you start cutting and grading 4K and even 8K video, but render times will be blazing fast thanks to the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X's fast clock speeds across all 16 of its cores, combined with the 16GB VRAM on the Radeon 6800 XT. If that wasn't good enough, use AMD's Ryzen Master tool to overclock the CPU for even better performance. If you're a photographer who uses Lightroom and Photoshop, your benefits will be twofold. Enable GPU acceleration on Lightroom to let the Radeon RX 6800 XT flex its 16GB GDDR6 memory, making the actual editing process much smoother. While the 16 cores on the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X make short work of rendering the final result, be it 5 files or 500. Moving on to something even more demanding, let's examine 3D workloads. We've got our trusty Blender project here to demonstrate just how quickly the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X combined with the Radeon RX 6800 XT handle complex model rendering. Here we have the Blender Classroom model being rendered at impressively fast speeds. Lastly, let's not forget one of the most important uses for a powerful system like this: gaming. This combination of hardware is going to be a treat for any gamer. Thanks to smart access memory and the ability to overclock, you can see a jump in frame rates across number of titles. Whether it's leisurely gaming in Forza Horizon 4 or a blood-pumping title like Doom Eternal, the AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT paired with the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X is more than up to the task of powering even the fastest refresh rate monitors. So there you have it, that's a wrap up. For content creators who need the very best in performance, the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X paired with the Radeon RX 6800 XT would be an excellent choice.